This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the pop-up blocker in the Floorp web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Floorp web browser opened up now. To enable or disable the pop-up blocker, it's very easy to do. You want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Permissions section. And toward the bottom of the Permissions section, block pop-up windows. By default, that should be enabled. If it's checked, it's enabled. If you uncheck it, it is disabled. That's how to disable the pop-up blocker. To enable it, you just check it. That is how to enable or disable the pop-up blocker in the Floorp web browser. Thanks for watching.